For lease, I'm going to name this restaurant to the Joshes.
I'm going to get a job at the Joshes. Hi, Josh.
Hi, Gary.
Can I get a job?
Sure thing.
Hi, Josh. Gary.
Hi, Michael.
Can I get a job?
Sure thing.
Hi Josh, Gary, Michael.
Hi, Eric, James, and Brian.
Can we get jobs?
Sure thing.
Here comes our customer.
Hi. Can I get one hamburger, fries, and a Coke?
Here you go.
Thank you. I don't feel so good. You kids made me feel sick. The burger was wrong, the fries were uncooked, and the soda was flat. That's it. I'm phoning your parents right now.
No, 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 no.
No, 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 no.
No, 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 no.
No 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 no.
No 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 no.
No 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 no.
Hello parents, your kids gave me raw and uncooked food. Can you please ground them? Bye.
Josh.
Gary.
Michael.
Eric. James.
Brian.
We cannot believe you gave Simon raw and uncooked food. Josh, you are grounded, 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 grounded.
Gary, you are grounded, 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 grounded.
Michael, you're grounded, 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 grounded.
Eric, you are grounded, 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 grounded.
James, you are grounded, 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 grounded.
Brian, you are grounded, 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 grounded.
Let's go home now.